What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel, not to my kitchen now. Welcome, goodies. What's up, on goodies? Welcome back to your channel and to my
Want to be independent, yet she can't read and write a sentence.
What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel, not to my kitchen but to my channel. I've been kind of an MIA past couple of days. The girl has been busy trying to find a house. Yes, honey, it's time. Growth on the space, so I've been trying to find a house and it's been so tiring. I found a couple of houses that I really loved. I even went ahead and put an offer in one of them and it didn't come through. See, a girl is busy, has been really busy house hunting. So, I'm gonna look kind of crazy and all that, but tired, honey. I went to bed about 2:30, checking out homes and making sure that the area is what we want to even consider looking at. So it's been a little bit of a journey, this house hunting attempt. It's been a journey, but your girl is going back. I have a couple of houses that I'm going to look at today, and so yeah, I'm going to show you a couple of them. Alright, I'm going to be with the agent. I don't know if she won't be on camera, but I'm going to take pictures. I'm going to take a couple of pictures of, we have probably about 20 houses to look at, because today is when we're going to have to choose a house, because I'm tired of looking at houses. So anyway, we have about 20 houses, yeah, to look at. So we are gonna pick one of those 20 today. So I'm gonna show you a couple of them, and yeah, I'm gonna take you on this house journey. I was going to put the videos on my other channel, Life with Juliana, but I'm gonna put it here. I'm telling you, good day, women, I'm tired, but the show has to go on. So yeah, let's go. Okay, good. So I'm going to talk about house number one. This house is in the middle, 200, and this is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath slab. It doesn't have a basement, but the kitchen was pretty nice. I like the kitchen. I like the countertop. I didn't like that the stove was on the island, but overall it was a nice space. I didn't really like the color of the cabinets, and I do want stainless steel appliances. However, it had a nice entryway and it was nice and open and airy. I really like it. It was a good one. Now, house number 2 is a split level, and I do not like split level houses at all. But some of them kind of nice, because a lot of time it come with basement. And the reason why I don't like split level is the kitchen is always a little bit off. I do not want my kitchen sink to be like that. I want my kitchen sink to be at the window. That's what I want. So I wasn't feeling that house at all. Now this one was in the middle 200s, and this one was a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. I did like the entryway. It was a little bit tight, but it was okay. It wasn't bad. It was doable. The former living was on the left hand side of the house, but the entryway was a little bit, I wasn't feeling it too much, but yeah. Now this one is a nice one. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full baths. It has a nice guest bedroom on the lower level. The kitchen was also nice, but the kitchen, again, the stove was on the island, and I don't want my stove to be there. But if I find a nice one, I figure I'm gonna just roll with it, right? But I did like the countertop, and I did like the cabinets. I did not like the fact that the basement was not complete, because I'm not trying to make my husband do no power work. It don't take forever to get done. So I did not like that the basement was not complete. Now this one was a pretty nice one. It had 4 bedrooms, and it did have a basement, but I still did not like it. It was right, but what I did love about this though, I like the fact that it had a nice little lake in back, and it was sitting on an acre lot. But something about it I wasn't really feeling, but it was still a nice house overall. It was pretty nice. Still had space in between. What really turned me off was the kitchen. For such a nice house and for that view of the lake and stuff, I figured it would have a better kitchen than that. The kitchen was extremely small, to the point where if I was trying to put an island in the kitchen, I couldn't put an island there. And that hideous fan that was sitting on top of there was just ridiculous. So for this house, I would still have to make some changes, and it was on the higher end. I did love the back deck though, but it was in the high 200s, so I knew right away that one wasn't going to work. Now this house was very nice. It was in the high 300s, and it's 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and I fell in love with the deck. It had an upper and lower deck, and it was gorgeous. I did not like the fact that the neighbors was sitting right there. It was a cul-de-sac, which I like, but the neighbors are like right there. The kitchen, same thing, the island again. The stove top is right there. I do not like. It's so hard to find an house where the island is sitting at the window, but it was still nice. I like the floor. It had tile floors. They had a lot of upgrades in this house. It was pretty nice. This is an HOA, homeowner association. This one, it was in the mid 200s. It was pretty nice, but I really didn't like it, so I'm not gonna waste your time. This one is also in the low 200s. It was nice, but I never like how the inside look. This one was in the high 300s. It's like right on the border, right there. So it was a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but the kitchen was also hideous. Now this one was in the low 200. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and the neighborhood is very nice, and it doesn't have an HOA, but the kitchen needs a whole lot of work. I did like the fact that it had hardwood floor in the house, but that kitchen, it wouldn't fit anything. It couldn't fit anything, so I had to move on. Now this one was a very beautiful home. It's another 5 bedrooms. It's in a subdivision, gated community. It's very nice, but the neighbors are sitting right there. It didn't have much of a backyard, so if it was going to have like outdoorsy things to do, your neighbor would be looking right through the window, so I didn't like that. It was airy, and it had a similar layout to one of the houses that I already looked at, but it was really, really nice. Yeah, it was nice and open. It was nice, but I didn't like that one, yeah. I didn't like it, yeah, it was nice. Now this one was another beautiful one. This one was in the high 200. It has HOA to it too. 4.5 bedrooms. It had a master on the lower level. Now what I did not like with this one is the kitchen. Again, it couldn't fit an island, and I do not like kitchens like that. But all the appliances was brand new. The countertops, they did a lot of things. They did a lot of upgrades to this kitchen, but yeah, I still wasn't feeling it. You know when you know when you see it, right? But overall, it was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. I liked the living room was gorgeous. The family room was beautiful, and they did a lot of work to the fireplace. It was very, very nice. Now this one was in the mid 200, and it was pretty nice. The neighborhood was nice. There was no HOA because I'm trying not to have no HOA, so that way we can do anything when we want to do with the house. Now this one was pretty good. The kitchen was very open. It had the stainless steel appliances, the island in the middle. They had the granite countertops, and they did the backsplash and all that, so that was an option right there. This one was also in the low 200s. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, and it was very nice. I think it was very nice. It was very nice, very nice. But we never liked the fact that the neighbors was right there. But they did do a lot. The lady that lived there did a lot of decor to it, and it was beautiful. So it kind of gave me an idea that it might not be everything that I want, but I can make it my own, right? But there was 20 houses I look at, and I can't show you all 20. But however, I did find a home this day, and yeah, I think you're going to love it when I finally show you what I decided to pick. But we did find a house. this day out of that 20, okay? So that sums that up. Your girl is done for the day. I'm gonna try to find something to eat. I'm already packed. My house is crazy packed right now. Yeah, so I'm not able to cook, but I'm gonna do my best at this thing. So honey, I hope you did enjoy this little house shopping, you might call it. So if you're new here watching me doing this vlog, hey, your girl is Juliana. Make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Talk to you later.
Bread in the oven, bacon.